up, my friends, wherever you are? How are you today? I hope everything is okay. I hope everything is good. Okay, today is Sunday, guys. Sunday is my day off. You know that Sunday is the day that we are waiting for in every week for all of Cerita in Hong Kong. Sunday is the day to refresh our brains from routine at employer's house. But today, guys, maybe I decide to stay at home because 3 days the weather in Hong Kong is not really good. There is a stormy, rainy everywhere. So this is not good for us, not safe for us to go out on the day off. Some of employer in Hong Kong don't allow their TT to go out because this is not safe for us. So we can do anything. This is the weather. We just enjoy it. Just do what we're gonna do. Just enjoy the time. Just enjoy the day. Okay, guys. Just see later. Maybe I need to go out or no. Tell you later. See later. Okay, guys. Haha, my friend. I decided to go out today, even rainy outside, because I need to meet my friend. She just called me today that she need my help to help her to pick up something and look with it. So don't forget to bring umbrella. Yeah. This is the situation this morning. Rainy day. But we are still go out. We spend our day off. Refreshing our brain in the routine and employer house. Okay, see you later, friends. What we're gonna do today. I just met my friend. She's just coming. Okay, let's see today what we're gonna having here. Okay. See it over there. Over there. There is. Yeah. Yeah, come here. This is my friend that I'm waiting for. And now we are going to Pacific. We just in a tin house. See how empty This is rainy, heavy rain. Oh my god. This is so heavy rain today, guys. We need to stay here. We need to stay here to waiting for her friend to take something. I need to help her. Come together and then go together. Okay. Over there. Yes. Oh my god, this is a sad day for me. It's a rainy day, guys. I need to waiting for my friend here to meet her friend over there. She asked me to waiting here. And we are going to McDonald's over there later, but I need to wait for her first. I don't want to go with her because it is heavy rain. I decided to stay here to waiting for her. Over there. It's rain, guys. Oh my god. Okay, guys. so hungry. I just ordered some burger, chicken burger, because I don't know it's kind of meat here. Okay, this is my friend. Okay. It's Hi, my friend. This is one of my friends. We meet today. She's come from Java. We are Indonesia. The Indonesian woman in Hong Kong. She has been working in Saudi Arabia for 8 years, from 2002 until 2010. And now I want to ask her which more difficult between Arabic and Cantonese. What do you think? Which one is more difficult, Cantonese or Arabic? Cantonese. She said Cantonese more difficult than Arabic. Okay, friends, thank you for following me today. Thank you for like and comment, for your support. I'm so appreciate all guys, and then don't forget to supporting each other for our channel. Okay, see you soon. See you for the next trip. See you for the next holiday. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.